Let's talk about the plan. This is a crucial element in the StoryBrand framework. This can actually make or break your marketing efforts. Now you might be wondering, why do I need a plan in my marketing? Well, imagine if you're watching a movie where the hero suddenly just knows exactly what to do and figures it out without any guidance. It feels a bit off, right? That's because every great story, the hero needs a plan to succeed. And in your story, we're crafting with our marketing, our customer as the hero. Here's the thing, even when people are interested in what you have to offer, they often hesitate. Why? Because they're not sure what to do next. They're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does it actually work? That's where your plan comes in. In the StoryBrand framework, the plan is all about making things easy and making things clear for your customer. It's like you're laying out the red carpet and showing them exactly how to do business with you. And let me tell you, people love a good plan. It gives them confidence, it reduces uncertainty, and it makes them feel like they're in control. Here's a key tip. You need to keep it simple. We're talking 3 steps, maybe 4 max. Why? Because our brains want to conserve calories. The simpler your plan, the easier it is for your customer to say yes. And let me break down a quick example. Say you're a personal trainer, your plan might look something like this. 1, schedule a free fitness assessment. 2, get your customized workout plan. And 3, start your journey to a healthier you. See how straightforward that is? Your potential client can easily envision themselves making those steps. There's no confusion, there's no overwhelm, it's just a clear path forward. But here's where a lot of businesses trip up. They think they need to explain every little detail of their process. Trust me, you don't. At least not at first. Your initial plan should be like the teaser trailer, giving them just enough to take that next step. Another important thing about your plan is it should address your customers' fears, what they're worried about, what might be holding them back. Your plan should implicitly say, don't worry, we've got you. Remember, a good plan isn't just about the logistics of it, it's about making your customer feel safe and confident. It's about showing them that working with you is going to be smooth and it's going to be an enjoyable experience. So take a look at your current marketing. Do you have a clear and simple plan laid out for your customers? If not, I think it's time to create one. When you give people a plan, you're not just telling them what to do, you're inviting them into a journey where they're most likely to say yes to your offer. Let's put the StoryBrand framework to work for your business. Book a free 30-minute call at mc2design.com and we'll cut through the marketing noise and craft a message that converts. Trust me, your future customers and your bottom line will thank you.